Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS 600. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're gonna start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. So the front is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door, they're in excellent condition. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the driver's side is spotless. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches back here at all. Also, the back bumper is in good condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I'm not seeing no scratches here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger side doors. Front and back door are in good condition. No scratches here at all. Everything here is perfect. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks very good. No scratches here at all. No dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the door panel. Everything here looks very good as well. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. The seat looks very good. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel is in excellent condition. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.